Welcome to our roundup of the best car front cameras. Essential driving accessories designed to improve road safety, record important footage, and provide extra peace of mind during every trip. Whether you're commuting daily, going on long road trips, or simply protecting yourself in case of accidents, a reliable car front camera can make a huge difference. Modern car front cameras come with high-resolution recording, wide-angle lenses, night vision support, loop recording, and advanced parking monitoring features for better security and convenience. Many models also include Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, G-sensor technology, and app control for easier access and management of recordings. Choosing the right car front camera can improve driving safety, provide reliable evidence when needed, and enhance your overall driving experience. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car front cameras available right now. Starting with the Xyrode RM Car Front Cam. This model is a great option for users looking for an affordable and beginner-friendly dash camera with reliable recording performance for everyday driving needs. It typically features full HD video recording combined with a wide-angle lens that helps capture a broader view of the road ahead for better visibility and coverage. The compact design allows it to fit neatly on the windshield without blocking the driver's view during operation. Many versions include loop recording and G-sensor functionality, automatically saving important footage during sudden impacts or accidents. Its lightweight construction and simple setup process make it suitable for users who want a straightforward and practical dash camera solution. Additionally, it delivers steady recording performance and dependable results during daily use. It also improves driving security, enhances convenience, and supports basic road monitoring tasks. Next up is the Galfi Q2 Silver Car Front Cam, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced performance, smooth video recording, and user-friendly operation across different driving conditions. This model typically features higher resolution recording with improved image clarity, helping capture road signs, license plates, and traffic details more effectively. The wide viewing angle improves road coverage and reduces blind spots within the recorded footage. Many versions include night vision support and HDR technology that help maintain clearer recordings during low-light or nighttime driving situations. Its compact body and intuitive controls make it easier for users to install and operate without difficulty. Additionally, it provides stable recording quality and consistent results during both daytime and nighttime use. It also improves visibility, enhances reliability, and supports safer driving documentation. Moving on to the Vement V300 Car Front Cam. This model is known for its practical design, strong video quality, and reliable performance for users who want better clarity and recording efficiency while driving. It typically features high-definition recording combined with a wide-angle lens that captures more road details and surrounding traffic conditions effectively. The integrated G-sensor system automatically detects sudden movement or impacts and locks important video files to prevent overwriting during loop recording. Many versions also include parking monitoring features that help keep the vehicle protected even when parked. Its durable construction and easy mounting system make it suitable for long-term everyday use. Additionally, it delivers reliable recording performance and smooth operation across different road conditions. It also enhances recording accuracy, improves safety coverage, and supports regular driving protection. Stepping up in performance, the Vantru N2X 2.7K Car Front Cam offers a strong balance of premium video quality, advanced functionality, and dependable recording performance for more demanding users. This model typically features 2.7K high-resolution recording that provides sharper footage and improved detail recognition compared to standard full HD cameras. The advanced image sensor helps improve low-light recording performance, making nighttime driving footage clearer and more usable. Many versions include built-in Wi-Fi and app support, allowing users to access recordings and settings directly from their smartphones for added convenience. Its advanced parking mode and motion detection systems help improve vehicle security while parked. Additionally, it delivers efficient recording performance and stable video quality across different driving environments. It also improves detail clarity, enhances monitoring capabilities, and supports advanced driving protection features. Taking the top spot is the Rove R2-4K Car Front Camera, a highly advanced and widely popular option designed for maximum recording quality, modern connectivity, and long-lasting performance. This model typically features true 4K Ultra HD recording that delivers extremely sharp and detailed footage, making it easier to capture license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic information clearly. The built-in GPS system helps track speed and location data, while the fast Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to transfer and manage recordings quickly through a mobile app. Many versions also include advanced night vision technology, wide dynamic range support, and parking mode functionality for improved protection in different lighting conditions. The compact and sleek design allows for cleaner installation without obstructing the windshield view. Additionally, it delivers fast and reliable recording performance with excellent image clarity. It also stands out for its premium video quality, advanced features, and overall versatility for everyday driving needs. All of these car front cameras serve different needs depending on recording quality, features, and usage. The Xyrode RM model offers affordability and basic, everyday recording functionality. The Galfi Q2 Silver model provides balanced performance with improved clarity and night recording support. The VMIT V300 model delivers reliable operation and practical security features. The Vantru N2X model offers sharper recording quality with advanced functionality. And the Rove R2-4K model stands out as the most advanced and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car front cameras, from budget-friendly recording devices to advanced 4K dash cams designed for maximum performance and protection. Whether you're improving road safety, recording your daily drives, or protecting yourself during unexpected situations, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive gadget reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and drive with more confidence using the right car front camera.